Happy greetings, dear all. Today we are going to see the topic on decimals. First let's check what are decimals. So, a decimal is a type of a fraction, decimal fraction, we can say, in which the denominators will be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 with the multiples of 10. So, for example, 1 by 10, 2 by 100, 5 by 1000. So, these are the decimal fraction which can be converted and it can be written in a decimals. If I write a number 25.236, now you can see that this is a decimal, this point is a decimal, this is the whole number part, this whole number part, and these are the decimal part. So this ones, tens already you have learned. After the decimal, we have a decimal system. First one is tenth. Tenth. So let me write it here. Tenth. This one hundredth. TH to be added. This one thousandth. And so on. So we are having three decimal places here. First one tenth, hundredth, thousandth. And how to read these decimal numbers? 25.236. So the decimal numbers have whole number part and decimal part. And while reading, the decimal part has to be read as a single digit. Now let's check the place value of the numbers. For example, 34.207. Suppose if I have to find the place value of this digit 7. So after the decimal, first one is tenth, this is hundredth, thousand. So the place value of 7 is 7,000th. So I hope you understood what are decimal numbers and how to find the place values of the given numbers. Now let me take another example, 4.5 and 22.73. Now you can see that in these two decimal numbers, this 4.5 is having only one decimal place and this 22.73 is having two decimal places. So depending upon the number of decimal places, decimals can be grouped as like decimals or unlike decimals. So these two are having different decimal places, so they are unlike decimals. Look at this number 25.236 and 34.207. Both are having three decimal places, so these two are like decimals. So depending upon the decimal places, we can term them as like decimals or unlike decimals. So now 4.5 and 22.73 இது ரெண்டுமே like decimals இல்ல. So how to make them like decimal? Simply you can add a 0 here. So when I add a 0 here number of decimal places 2, here also 2. So these two are like decimals. So like decimals na enna? Number of decimal places same ஆ இருக்கணும். இங்கேயும் 2 digit இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 digit. So these two are like decimals. இங்கே 3 digit இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 3 digit இருக்கு. These two are like decimals. I hope you understood. Thank you.